Hey everyone, welcome back to ITPK. Today we are talking about the recent Windows 11 update build 25H2 or 24H2, specifically the update KB5070311, and a major problem that surfaced for many users. The built-in file explorer is reportedly broken under certain conditions, and there is also a lock screen sign-in quick. If you have installed KB5070311 around early December, a lot of users have seen their file explorer flash a bright white screen every time they open it. Switch tabs, hover around the UI, open detail pane, or create a new tab. The flashing seems especially noticeable when using dark mode. In the result, File Explorer becomes unpleasant or nearly unstable, which is a big deal since we use it almost every day. There's a temporary workaround if you go to three-dot menu, then option and choose Open File Explorer 2 with the default view set to this PC. You can avoid the white flash when opening the app, but this doesn't fully solve the problem. The flash can still appear when you navigate inside the Explorer. For example, switching to Gallery or Home, opening new tabs, or disable the Details pane. So this fix only reduces the annoyance, but it doesn't truly fixes the bug. Aside from File Explorer, there's another bug after installing this update or after the earlier August 2025 preview update KB506481 or later. Some users have noticed that the password icon at the lock screen sign-in option disappears or become invisible. The sign-in option is still there. If you hover over the blank space, the button works, but the missing icon makes it confusing. As of now, Microsoft acknowledges the issues and says a fix is in the works. But if you rely heavily on dark mode, especially during late nights editing or game sessions, this bug could seriously interfere with your workflow. If you have installed KB5070311, watch out these features, and if you prefer, you may want to wait for the next page before enabling the update. So that's it about today's quick video. Thanks for watching ITPK. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next one.